Apple is expected to unveil its first foldable iPhone alongside the iPhone 18 Pro series this September. Rumored to be called the iPhone Ultra, the device has now surfaced in a fresh set of leaked dummy images. This latest leak offers a look at the device in a black finish. The images show its widescreen form factor, similar to the Huawei Pura X Max. The rear houses a dual camera setup with both sensors placed inside a pill-shaped camera module. The wide display makes the iPhone Ultra appear like a smaller iPad mini. A hole punch cutout in the upper left corner is expected to house the inner selfie camera. The cover display features a centered hole punch cutout for the front-facing camera. The volume buttons are located along the top edge, while the power button sits on the side. A dedicated camera control button is also visible below the power key. The Apple iPhone Ultra is rumored to be powered by the A20 Pro chipset and offer 12 GB of RAM. The foldable is said to sport a 5.49-inch cover display and a 7.76-inch inner flexible screen. Suggest a price starting at around $2,000, with some reports placing it between $2,100 and $2,300. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.